It's cold and rainy outside, and it's the best time to make a big pot of chili. It smells so good, so come with me and let's make it. Brown ground beef, drain the grease. Melt butter in a non-stick skillet. Add the diced bell pepper. Add the diced onions. Add a half a teaspoon of salt and cook mixture until done. Stir mixture. Add a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. A half a teaspoon of black pepper. Add garlic cloves. Add tomato sauce. Add diced tomatoes. Add the sauteed pepper, onion, and garlic. Stir thoroughly. Add 1 to 2 cups of water. Add beans of your choice. I use chili beans, which are red beans. Stir thoroughly. Mix dry ingredients, chili mix, chili powder, garlic powder, cumin, salt, and pepper. Add the dry ingredients to the pot. Add beef broth. Taste for seasoning. I added 1 more teaspoon of chili powder. Simmer for an hour. The chili is done, and I'm going to spoon up a little bowl of this. It smells delicious. Down in the comment section, tell me what you like to put on your chili. I like a little cheese on mine. It's been raining for days outside, and so chili is the best thing for that, or soup. or anything else like that. I know you're going to love this recipe, and I hope you try it. And as always, God bless. Check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe for more cooking videos. Like and share this video. Leave a comment on what you want to see next.